She's making chicken adobo. I never had it, even though I visited the Philippines.
I have a question.
What? Shoot.
So you're cooking baby chickens, the unhatched, and cooking adult chickens next to each other? 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Hi everybody, welcome to the channel of the goodness of poo-poo-ness.
Huh?
I don't know what that means. Okay, let me try that again. I'm being awkward with my food. Here's 2 testicles, I mean avocados. My baby is making food for me and it tastes so good.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Making chicken adobo.
Yeah, we're making chicken adobo.
I've never had that before, even though you visited the Philippines.
She's making chicken adobo. I never had it, even though I visited the Philippines. And it's gonna be amazing because she's gonna make it for me, and I love her so much.
Well, maybe you're wondering why he never had it. Well, it's because when he visited the Philippines, I was insisting to, like, okay, honey, I'll cook for you. But then he's like, no, I want babe time. I don't want you to be cooking in the kitchen. I want cuddles. Well, I wanted that as well. So now that we're here in the States, I'm gonna be cooking a whole lot more Filipino food for him. But I will probably incorporate more fiber in it because this big guy right here and me, even though I'm tiny, we both need fiber. And you guys probably need fiber too. So this has become one. Welcome to our pet talk.
An American doctor said only 10% of Americans get only enough fiber in their diet. And I am not in that 10%.
I'm not in that 10% either because I'm not American.
My doctor said he's not either.
Oh.
And she's a gastrointestinal doctor.
So tonight I'm cooking the chicken adobo already, so it's just ready for tomorrow. But tonight we will be having the teriyaki salmon. So I'm gonna be baking teriyaki salmon and then probably with veggies. So we'll see you guys later. I forgot to show you, but this is what I marinated overnight along with the chicken adobo. Well, cooking chicken adobo doesn't necessarily need to be marinated. I just like all the sauces to be really in the chicken. But this one, it's SeoHyun's first time to eat baked teriyaki salmon. So let's hope that it tastes good.
How is this?
It's actually easy. I like it a lot. I didn't hurt myself, obviously. Shout out to KitchenAid. The best. Only the best. Okay. So we got chicken thighs, boneless, and then this one, the legs. We got it from the farmer's market. And there's so many ways how to cook chicken adobo, but I love this style. I actually learned it from my mom and Lolo. They would saute the onions and garlic first and then add the chicken to make it like, a little bit of crispy. And then I'm gonna put the sauce after. So I'll show you the final product later. Are you excited?
Yeah. This is the first time that Quinn is making Filipino food for me in the United States. Yes, and I'm very excited, and so I have no idea. Yeah, no idea what I'm gonna expect. I suspect that it'll be delicious, so expectations there. Okay, can you explain to me what chicken adobo is? Like, well, how is it made? How did you prepare it?
So I basically just put about half a cup of this one,
What is that?
soy sauce, then half a cup of vinegar, and then half a cup of water. Personally, even though I was still in the Philippines, I like my adobo with boiled eggs and sometimes pineapple bits as well. But this is like a personal favorite too. I always love putting sweet potatoes in my adobo. Some people do just the normal potatoes, but I like it sweet potato, so that should be fine. That should make the adobo more like flavorful.
And what did you add to the chicken?
Didn't put any salt in this one because soy sauce is very salty already. So I only added lots of pepper.
Ooh.
Yeah, so it depends on your liking. And then white onions. I love using white onions. And then garlic.
What's the method of cooking?
Medium heat and just let it simmer. Don't be afraid to put your black pepper. And just let it simmer until your chickens are fully cooked. Make sure it's not undercooked.
I have a question.
What? Shoot.
So you're cooking baby chickens, the unhatched, and cooking adult chickens next to each other?
Yeah, I'm cooking the mama chicken and the baby chickens.
What did they do to you?
I'm
You
sad.
destroyed their whole dynasty, their whole lineage.
Yeah. Someone can't wait to try the chicken adobo. Okay, before you bash me, this is sweet potato. This is not carrots. That's like the only thing available here. I have to improvise because I really like sweet potatoes with my chicken adobo. And let's see if this mister will like it. What do you say in Korean?
감사합니다.
No. Before you eat.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. 아저씨. Wow, you can eat a lot. Okay, this is our dinner. Here's hotel.
It's very good.
You like it? Is it spicy? No,
No.
not really. Should I add more?
No, it's good. There's a little spice to it.
Yeah. You like it? He's gonna eat all of this.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm excited.